Hello everyone, welcome to Fireplace 101. In this course, you're going to learn how to shop for a fireplace and what to consider when negotiating with a selling company so that you can get the best out of your investment. And I say investment because unless you are a home builder, you will buy and install a fireplace every 10 to 20 years, sometimes more. I mean, it's not an every year purchase, and the price point is also high. So this course is a buying guide that helps you know all that you need to make an informed decision. My name is Brian, and I have been selling fireplaces and barbecues for the last 8 years. This course is based on the training I received from the manufacturers, but more than that, based on many questions customers ask while negotiating to purchase a fireplace and the installation service. During the years of my job as a fireplace and barbecue sales consultant, I came to the conclusion that customers need to know more about fireplaces even before stepping into the market. They also need to know the language of the fireplace industry to have a meaningful negotiation with their dealer, and I designed this course to give you that. First thing in this course, you will learn about the history of fireplaces. Then we will move into the different types of fireplaces and their important features, what they're good for and what they're not good for. Then we will have a review of different fireplaces options to choose from. And then I will have a review of important fireplace industry jargon that you need to know to have a meaningful conversation and negotiation with your dealer. Terms like zero clearance, insert, direct vent, B-vent, and other terms and words that you should know about when talking to a dealer. Have in mind that sometimes you say something that has a different meaning for someone who is working in the industry. So you should know what you're talking about. Finally, I will go through the buying guide and what to consider when buying a fireplace and an installation service so that you know what to ask about when negotiating with a fireplace company. I hope you can save time, money, and get the best out of your investment in fireplace and enjoy this course.